In this tutorial, I will show you how to create nice menu with MegaMenu module. As you can see, we have already created two mega menus. First one, default, is horizontal menu. Second one, vertical, the menu on the left on the top. As you can see, we have two menus in the same time. But let's disable both and try to create new one. When MegaMenu module is uninstalled or menus are disabled, you will see default open cart menu with categories only. Get back to MegaMenu module and click Add menu. Set some name and click Add. After that, choose this menu and click Edit menu. Now we have basic configuration where we can disable or enable menu. We can decide here if we want to have it on mobile or no. We can set here the position and layout where we want to have this menu. Below we have design configuration. We have two default orientations for MegaMenu, which is horizontal and vertical. But we also created two more for flowers and audio skins. In the flower skin, as you can see, we have two menus, one under another. First one only with links and second one with categories and submenus. In audio skin we have also one menu for links and second one for categories with hover. Let's get back to MegaMenu module. I want my new menu to be horizontal and I want search bar on it, so I choose this option. Navigation text we add when we use vertical MegaMenu and its whole menu headline. In expand menu bar full width options, we can set if we want to have menu on the full width of the screen or not. Under this, I choose home item as icon because I'd prefer this one and I don't need to add text in this case. Below we have jQuery, but we will get back to this later when we create some submenus. Click Save and our menu is created. Now we can add some links or categories to our menu. In order to do this, click Add New Item and put the name for it. Description is small text under the name. I don't want it here, so I don't use it. I want label on this menu item, so I put text I want and set colors. In custom class field, we can put the class name from CSS if we have created something earlier in custom code module, or maybe in CSS files. Under this field, we have icon where we can add some nice icons, like for example in flowers or audio skins. Below we have some standard fields like status, display on mobile or position of this menu item. Next field is submenu width. When we set 100% submenu for this item, it will be always 100% width of the content size. I want to have here simple menu with categories, so I set 250. Of course, display menu on hover and without background in this case. That's all we need to do if the item we create will be set as top menu and not as submenu. Click Save and it's done. Now let's create some submenu for categories we've created before. I want to use the categories list, so I put the name list. Now we just go to the bottom to the content item section. As I said before, I want this menu to have only 250 pixels of width and one column. What I need to set now is content width. When I set 6 to 12, I will be able to create two columns here, but each will be 125 pixels width, because the submenu size we set in previous item was 250 pixels. And 250 pixels in this case is 12 to 12. So I choose 12 to 12 and content type as links because I want to have only links categories here. I choose categories I want and save the list. Now, as you can see, we have categories and lists in the left panel. When we go to the front of our store, we will see they are next to another. To create submenu, we just need to drag and move to the right side item we want to set as submenu. Now, on the front of our store, we have nice menu. But what if we need to create more levels of submenu? Let's edit our list and do the same what we have done before with our categories. Just drag and move to right side to create submenu. Now, go to the front of our store and as you can see we have a nice menu with many levels. We can also use MegaMenu links module to create links and then add them to our submenus. To add new links, go to MegaMenu Manager Links and just add new link. Fill up all fields and save. Here you can also add label or icon if you want. Now, maybe we can try to create menu with products only. Click Add New Item. I want to name it Products and I want to have submenu in this menu to be 100% width of my content, so I left 100%. Just save and add new item again. Put some name and go to the bottom. Now, this is what I explained before about content width. I want to have the submenu to be 25% width, so I choose 3 to 12 and content type product. I choose product I want to have here and save. Then move it to the right side to create submenu from this item. Let's check fronted how it looks. It's okay, we can add some more products here. I will quickly add 2 more products now. But I've changed my mind and in last column I want to have links instead of products, so I add new item with links content. Now save and go to the front of our store. Now I'll try to make something more advanced with background image, links and banner in submenu. Click Add New Item, set the name for it and save. Then add New Item again and set it as links. At the bottom, in the content item, I choose 6 to 12 because I want to have this menu to be 50% of my content width and I want links here. I change to links and choose some categories and links. I move them to create more submenus in the submenu. Because I want to have this in 3 columns, I set 3 columns. What's more, I want to have the submenu items to be always visible, so I change to visible. Then I save the submenu from this item and go to the front of our store to see how it looks. We have all links visible because we set submenu items as visible. Now I want to put some image in the background, so I get back to MegaModule and edit the top item. I choose background I've preferred before. Change position to the bottom on the right because I want to have it on the right bottom and save. Quick look on the front of our store. Yes, that's very nice. Maybe now I will add some banner in this submenu. Get back to MegaMenu module and add new item. Set name and content type as HTML. I have HTML code prepared before, so I just put it here and save. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, the banner is not where I wanted to have it. I want to put it under the categories. The problem is because I choose content width 6 to 12 for this banner. For links we have 6 to 12 and for banner we have 6 to 12, so it's in total 12 to 12. But if we want to move this banner under the links, I just change content width for banner to 12 to 12 and then 6 to 12 from link plus 12 to 12 from banner. In total give us 18 to 12. So it's too much and banner will be moved down under the links.